What's good, y'all? It's your boy John. I'm back here at Six Flags Magic Mountain. It's Monday, September 13th, and I'm here for another Raptor update and probably a little bit of a park update as well. So let's get on into it. So it looks like Full Throttle's actually closed today. Not sure why. There's a train right there on the transfer storage track and one in the station. Not sure what's going on with it. I'm sure it'll be open by this weekend though. So for those asking about crowds during weekdays, today's Monday, like I said, and there's not a person, well now there is, for the wing place. So, or actually now there's nobody again. So there you go. And that's usually a long wait. Here's another quick look at a restaurant that's usually really busy here in Bugs Bunny World. And that's Wascals. Yeah, there's usually a line out the door, switchbacks and all that, but today you can walk right in. So arriving on site, I'll give you the usual overlook of the whole area from here. Teen Titans Pizza still here. Got some guys working over here. Looks like they're putting the the sono tube, or getting ready to put the sono tube on the top. So they must have poured the bottoms of those already. Looks like they're getting ready to do the tops soon. Over here we got some guys doing some land surveying. Probably doing some inspections for some permits and whatnot. Yeah, we'll go get a look from another angle, see if we can see anything else going on in this area, and then we'll head on over to the Justice League area over there. It looks like there's some stuff going on in that area as well. So let's go get into it. So here's a look over here by the DC Universe store. Looks like they're getting these ones ready to pour the tops. In this area, most likely the brake run, block section. So here's a look from Batman's entrance. Basically the Q section to Batman. Not much has changed over here that I can tell. Everything seems to be about the same from this angle. I might ride Batman in a little to get an overhead look. So I'm gonna get a quick shot from over here by Tidal Wave's old Flash Pass entrance. Somebody had been asking in one of the last updates in the comments to get a view from here, and this is pretty much the only view you can get of it. But yeah, see them over here working on some foundations, probably the tops of them to get ready to pour. I haven't done much in this section where the rebar used to be stored, but it's kind of hard to tell. So here's a quick look at the open space where the rebar was once stored by Tidal Wave. I don't see any markers or anything out there, but it is a lot of just flat space right here, so we'll see what they do with it in the near future, I'm sure. Here's a look from over here by the barbecue restaurant at some of the uncovered footers and foundations. as well as here's a shot of the station. It's hard to tell from here if they've done anything in there. Yeah, we'll see if we take a ride on Riddler's or Batman and check it out from there. But I can see they unwrap this one. Looks like that one's getting ready to go. There's another one unveiled right there. Got some plates right here. I'll show you this one in a second, but they poured into this one already, most likely today. Here's a shot of the one I was talking about. It's got that odd kind of bracket to it, kind of like a half circle, like dome kind of bracket to it, as well as just the usual circular one. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Kind of like a dome shape. Here's another look at what appears to be another one of those bigger foundations with one of those dome-shaped bracket-looking things, anchor points. It's good to see that this one's already poured to the top. Looks like they'll most likely uncover this one tomorrow, as well as that other one that was in the last shot. Let's go over to the front of Justice League and see what we can see from there. So here's an overlook at the whole site from in front of Justice League. They've got lots of concrete showing now. This is a great sign that they should be going vertical pretty soon here. We're gonna get over there by Riddler's exit in a little bit to go see if we can see anything else that's been uncovered. Hard and allowed B&M. Here's a look from over here by Riddler's exit. Here's another foundation that looks like they just poured that has that dome shape bracket to it, anchor point. So it looks to be about 1, 2, 3, 4 new big foundations that I've seen poured, as well as some other bigger footer slash foundations. Sorry, right here. It also looks like they've got some medium sort of foundations. You know, they're still cylinder type foundations, but they've got the half dome, the dome anchor bolts on it. So coming over here more towards Riddler's exit, I noticed another huge foundation. Well, actually, we saw it in the shot over by the barbecue restaurant, but it's even bigger than I thought it was from here, and it lines up right with this bigger one. And that looks like it's been poured to the top as well. Wanted to give you guys an update on Superman, because in the last video, I showed that the restraints were taken off the reverse side. Now, this was from Saturday when I was at Fright Fest, and they had the restraints on the reverse side, and the front side was working as well, and they were both launching all the way into the red section. So that was great to see.
Oh, actually. There you go.
So that's going to conclude it for today's update. I really appreciate everybody watching. And I also wanted to say a big thank you to everybody who's been showing their support in the comment section, as well as commenting on the videos. It really means a lot. I'm going to keep trying to do the best I can to cover this project for you guys. And if there's anything you guys want me to cover as well, please let me know in the comments. I'll be back at the park later this week for a midweek update. And until then, this is John, and this has been your Theme Park ERT.